Can you walk? Use this. Use this. Come on this side of it. Okay. Alright. Ready? Go! Go! Come on. Come on, Lily. She's running.
Good girl. Oops.
Yay, Lily. Hooray for Lily. Yay. Go, Lily. Go, Lily. Go. Go, Lily. Go, Lily. Go. Yay, Lily. Yay, Lily. Hooray for Lily. You want to turn around?
Look what I built. Look what I built.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, look.
Wow, good job, Caleb.
Here.
Okay, ready, go. Go, Lily. Go, Lily. Watch out for the wall. Yay, Lily. Okay, turn around. Whoopsie daisy. It's gonna be a shaky video. There we go. She runs into the wall. Come this way. Come this way. Go, Lily. Go, Lily. Go. She goes so fast. Yay, Lillian! Lillian, good job. Good job. You want to do it again? You want to do it again? You want to do it again?
Mommy, look. Look what I built.
What'd you build? Cool. What is it? Yeah? Did you run into the wall? Huh? Look at you trying to walk. You're not even 8 months yet. Did you know that? Ah! Ah! Come here. Lillian, what's your brother doing? What's your brother doing, huh? Hmm? What's your brother doing? Hmm?